Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Exhcnage. So taking a look into the charts, and I was tweeting about Ethereum BTC all day. Over here we started with this one. I thought Ethereum was crowded today earlier on. I mean, I made a mess out of it, but here we see this breakdown, and then yeah, we saw this breakdown. Support was coming up for Ethereum BTC, and that is exactly what happened. Look at this. I am kind of euphoric right now. I catched it perfectly, and that is yeah, exactly what I love. So now we will take a look at the S&P 500 and so on. Yellen made a comment yesterday about interest rates and everything dumped, and then she took back those words and everything pumped. So yeah, kind of a funny day. I hope nobody of my viewers got hurt from it. But it's looking all fine, you know. Could be a little bit of bear flag on the Nasdaq. You know, the Nasdaq has resistance over here, but everything is looking kind of fine. Dixie, however, is not looking weak, and that's not something we like. This is what we're looking at for Dixie. I mean, support over here, resistance, you know, the horizontals, you see them. Nothing too bad or too worried. Some consolidation, you know, we just want them to stay below this one and prefer like really below this one over here as well, 91.60. Bitcoin is being a boss today. Everybody was overexposed to I think altcoins, and that's what gives Bitcoin a chance to run again. Here's what we're seeing for Bitcoin. Had a lot of pain yesterday as well, some. But today, you know, like look at this 4-hour one, big pump. I tweeted about that one as well. Yeah, last night, you know, Bitcoin over here broke this one. Was a really good buying opportunity. But sadly, I had to go to bed. And yeah, that is about it. Bitcoin, you know, will go for the highs over here. Still negative, looking perfectly fine, goes higher. Simple as that. Resistance comes up over here, you know, 59k, making it higher high. That will be the problem. This one as well. Could be a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders. That is what the, oh sorry, not an inverse, but left shoulder, head, right shoulder. That is what bears want to see. But I mean, I don't think they get it if funding is this negative and discounts are there. Taking a look at Ethereum USD. Ethereum USD looking very good over here. We can see this horizontal line over here perfectly from this high. Some action out over here. Next up, this one is there. And then, of course, you know, we have this one. So I would say 450 is the level for now for Ethereum to break. But they're making higher highs and higher lows. This was a low, higher. And this last one, you know, just wicking out those last longs before going higher. And Ethereum is looking like such a chat. Ethereum BTC, you know, like that's what I was tweeting about the whole day. Ethereum broke on the 15-minute, guys. Ethereum broke this line over here, which made me see that bottom coming. This is where I saw support, and I wicked just right through it, you know. Make sure everybody's stopped out and everybody's out of the trade. What to look at now for Ethereum? I'm not sure if this candle over here is being made on all exchanges, but I would say this trend line is what we need to look at now, and this one will be resistance. So exactly over here at the cross point is where the biggest resistance will be for Ethereum. And after that, you know, we want to see higher highs for Ethereum BTC ratio, but looking very strong right now. I'm trading it on a screen of mine on the right side. By the way, guys, does any one of you have any knowledge about ergonomic mouses? I'm having some RSI, repetitive strain injury, from clicking the green button like for 4 years. And I'm looking for a mouse upgrade. I'm using the Evo Evolent now, an ergonomic mouse, and it's like a vertical mouse. On the 4 hour, I mean, I don't have to say anything about this. It looks good. It looks good, you know. We can count this as the high over here. I think this was just a wick. But this one over here, you know, this is where FTT needs to go. If they break it, you know, $70 easy. Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Coming back over here. We'll break it next step. Of course, you know, one thing to ruin it, you know, is of course a BTC dump or a Yellen comment or anything like that. SRM looking very good over here on the daily. Recommended by my friend Jimmy. Jimmy, I don't know how he does it. Jimmy is old school, very old school. The guy just knows stuff. Where I look at charts, Jimmy says buy or bet more. So, but I mean, nothing bad to say about this. You could see a rising wedge in it, you know, but I'm seeing higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and higher highs, higher highs. So yeah, this uptrend looks very good. Still a young coin, making percentage-wise very big moves. Yeah, I bought kind of hard on his call. Taking some profit on my Ethereum on my right screen. Doge, top is in, I would say. Remove everything, or at least it was a very good shakeout. Yeah, could be a very good shakeout as well. You know, this is usually a reversal candle, you know, hour is about to close, so this is actually a buying opportunity, I would say. Let me take a look at the 5 minute. Yeah, I mean, they did perfectly stopping out everybody over here, you know, at these levels. Perfect shakeout. Support over here, probably come down to it again, you know, tops over here, tops over there, retest over there. So this is an important level. Do not play it with leverage, you know, leverage is very dangerous. So you guys, please keep that in mind, you know. But yeah, could be just a low over here, shakeout, big shakeout. John Bollinger was tweeting about it. Party has ended for Doge. I'm not sure. However, do not bet against John Bollinger. He's a boomer, but yeah, a really big boy boomer, a good boomer. ROOK, also recommended by Jimmy earlier already. I'm in big profit. Thanks, Jimmy. I mean, yeah, looks perfect. Highs over here, you know, making higher highs, higher lows all the time. Targets, I don't really know. I just see an uptrend. I see a reversal over here. Big resistance, of course, you know, will be over here. Yeah, very clear resistance. But I think, you know, they broke these ones over here, all these highs, you know, these previous highs. You can draw some levels in it. Retest on it over here. But I mean, yeah. The reversal is quite obvious over here. We'll go for upside. MTA, Jimmy as well. These newer altcoins are hard to chart for a classic chartist as me, classical TA. Seeing something like this, higher lows, but highs, you know, yeah, it's looking good. Making higher lows all the way, and is that season, I think it's coming up. Kind of in the middle, but I think, you know, they tested this one. They're going back up for this one. Looking kind of good. XRP is not looking that bad either. Let me remove everything. We see this one. XRP against resistance over there. Do we zoom out a little bit more? Yes, we do. I mean, I would say something like this. You know, closes, very big wicks. But I mean, XRP, you know, is looking good again. I'm not a big fan of XRP. I think it's a meme coin, but yeah, it is looking extremely well. Breaking this one, you know, breaking this trend line, breaking this horizontal, it is big uptime, and it will be all-time highs for XRP over there. like I said, guys, be careful. Yeah, this looks good as well. Good low over here. A little bit of a front running retest over here of these highs. Didn't quite get it, but stopped out quite some longs in the process, I imagine. Time for new highs. If they go below this one, you know, you get out, or this one. Always try to limit out of your trades, guys. Stops are usually market and they take so much of your profit. And that's just, yeah, it's just not cool. I hate paying that. Badger. Let me remove everything. Badger, you know, this should be an important level. It just came above it. And what I want to see now from Badger is something like this. Keep making those higher lows and reverse over here. You can make something like that out of it. And that is about it. Bitcoin, I mean, it is just mega bullish. Let's go on the 5 minute. Yeah, probably making a bull flag over here, but it's looking quite good. Fundings are in check. Let's refresh fundings. Oh, Ethereum. So yeah, oh wow, okay, OKX. Oh, yeah, Bitcoin will go much higher, guys. Bitcoin will go much higher. This is not the top yet, not by a long shot. So that is all good. And that is about it for today. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I'm kind of bullish on everything. The low is in for Ethereum. And yeah, that is about it. Let me know what you guys want to know. And that is about it. Just a quick view. Everything is looking quite well. Doge, you know, be careful with it. ROOK, MTA. Yeah, everything is looking good. And yeah, keep in mind on XRP, it's really easy to scalp on Bybit. I've done it a lot. Liquidity is very good, very easy to get your limit orders filled. And if you want to use Bybit, you know, make sure to use my sign up link in the video description. You help me and you help yourself by getting some extra rewards in the rewards hub. And that's about it. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and happy trading.